guys, Bud TV here with another episode for everybody. Today is the 5th of March and it is a Sunday. March na, sobrang bilis. A few weeks ago, New Year's pa lang, nasa Japan pa tayo, pero ngayon we're in the end of the quarter for 2023. So for today's video, I'm gonna bring you to an event slash meet. It is hosted by ATS Garage. ATS Garage is a very well-known and established group of car enthusiasts dito sa California. And let's go and check yung meet nila. See what's going on. Let's see who are the figures who will come in today's meet. I am a bit late, but I hope that we could still see some good builds and good cars dito sa event na ito. So let's go ahead, puntahan na natin yung ATS meet dito sa ating video. The meet ng ATS Garage. We're not bringing our Hondas today. Originally we're going to we should have bring our cars today, but the thing is, si Boss Lawrence, I don't think he's gonna make it kasi hindi pa daw siya nakakaalis sa kanila. So siguro baka mga 30 to 45 minutes pa kasi yung drive niya. And up today, sabi niya nahandun pa daw siya sa kanila. So I'm not quite sure kung makakasunod pa siya. So we just hope na makapunta pa si Boss Lawrence. But anyway, yun nga, hindi ko na rin talaga naisipan dalhin dahil number one, I'm not quite sure baka I've heard there's a lot of good builds there, and ayoko magdala ng hindi pa masyado presentableng kotse this time around. So we'll just be spectators for today, and sana maganda yung turnout for today's meet.
A few moments later.
So we're here finally. Ayan, John showed up. Too bad his car got wet. We have a Corolla here. William is over there with his Corolla. Got this AE86 Levin Corolla. Got this sick Integra. Too bad it really rained today, so this one got wet, but it's fine. Got that Mugen wheels. K24 maybe. That's nice. Too bad it rained on us today.
I thought it was gonna be clear.
Yeah, I thought so too. Treat it as a small blessing. Yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful Integra. I also have some classic cars over here on this side. Some Beetles over there. Let's try to take a look at it before we go here on this beautiful car. Camaro is nice. Box, this is for you. I remember your fully restored Beetle way back in college. Ayan, para sa iyo to. You guys both have those Porsche wheels. I don't know if ganito yun sa'yo, pero no, hindi pareho, pero they're pretty much similar. Pardon me at hindi ako masyado magaling, pero Box, if you're watching, this is for you. Alright, let's go and move on to this car. That's a nice Chevy SS. Just want to see kasi I'm running on fumes dito sa camera ko. I was so forgetful. I forgot my battery pack and changed my batteries. Let's do this NSX. T37s. Oh, beautiful Supra. Personal wheels, tilting steering, Workmeister S1 wheels, 3-piece, carbon fiber wing, Cypress green color, nice body kit. I'm not quite sure, I don't know what's the body kit is para dito sa mga Supra na to, pero the badge says it's a 15th anniversary Supra. This is a nice build. We'll go with this Porsche. With the classic BBS wheels, nice calipers.
The only thing I have to complain about
is a wide body kit. And this perfectly built Mini. Guess what? The new engine. See the engine? A B-Series engine on a Mini. B16A, right over there. This is a freaking fast car. Recaro SR3. Momo Prototipo steering wheel. Naka JBL na 6x9 speakers. And a clean build. Pero, naka B16. This is nice. I like the car. I ever wonder how these B-Series fit in a Mini. Definitely they found a way to do it. I've seen a lot of people do this with their Minis, and they're freaking fast. Oh, my favorite Integra from the Honda Super Meet is here. I just love the color. Blue Recaro seats. If you guys watch the Honda Super Meet natin, he's also is also there.
Right? Those people think that. I feel like, you're sitting in the back seat though, but.
That's fine. Good build. Good Integra. And there's a Type R FK8. Nice body kits. Desmond Regamasters with Brembo calipers. It's always a fun build for FK8s. Still has a very special place in my heart para dito sa Type R nito. That's more of the aggressive type of Type R. Pero once you get to see the FL5s kasi, it's a more mature body style. This is a very familiar Toyota. All of the meets, they put this on entry. Maganda siya, and I love it. I remember yung brother ko, he has this Land Cruiser 60 series FJ62. And I'm pretty sure pareho yung feel ng drive niya, lalo na if you have built suspension. Yun nga lang, may talagang mag-aano ka dito. You'll get an instant massage. And you'll get tired when you get to your destination. CRX. This is the car that I saw a few minutes ago when I got in. Oh, very clean build. I don't know if you guys can see the interior because of the water beads, but I'll try my best to see. Momos. We got the Vogue Racing T37s. Is this T37s the convexes? Yeah, I think so. This is a fun one. Some others are leaving now. CRV boys, this one's for you. There's just too much FK8s to cover, but eto meron tayong Mazda Miata in yellow. So yeah, this is it for today, for today's video. I hope you guys love it. Initially it's been a bad weather. It's originally thought of having cloudy skies, or probably it's of course
Thanks,
Instagram,
Jones.
okay?
It's your
Hell
boy
yeah.
Core.
All right. Thank you, man.
All
See you later. Take care.
Yeah, appreciate it.
All right, so that's free ads for you guys. As what you guys know, this is going to be a rainy Sunday afternoon, but you know, we were given ample sunlight today this afternoon, and you know, it rained a little bit, but it's good. So I hope you guys love the video today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. This has been a good afternoon for everybody. They enjoyed all the cars on display, even if it got wet. But thank you for watching today's video. Maraming salamat. We'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching. This is Bud TV. See you on the next episode.